Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. I think yesterday I have given some assignment queries, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just a minute. Okay. Tell me the first query, Kavyashri.
Yes, ma'am. Write a query to display all employee details who are working in department number 40.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, this one is example. Write a query to display all employee details who are not working in department. This is also, yes. Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are earning salary more than 5,000. Select star from employee
Okay.
where
Where
salary greater than 5,000.
these were the example queries for comparison operator, right? I have given.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Before that, I didn't give an assignment query based on and or operator.
Given, ma'am.
Given.
Yeah, I want them. I have said the answer for this. We are going to use this symbol I mentioned in the class itself.
Okay. Where in where condition salary is
Tell me the query. What is the query about?
select star from employee where job salary is equal to
Kavyashri question. I want the question. I want the query. What are the
Ma'am, can I read
yes,
the question, ma'am?
sorry ma'am, that assignment I have not
just a
completed.
minute.
I forgot that. Sorry. I'm not
You have
seeing.
not taken it also?
Yeah, I taken ma'am.
You didn't attend it the last. Like you can say the query, right? You can tell me the question and you can try it now. No
Okay,
issues.
okay. Write a query to display all the employee details who are working in sales or in the analyst department. Select star employee where
So let's start from employee.
okay, select star from employee where sales or an analyst. Ma'am in table sales, where is it? Yeah, job equal to sales.
Directly job equal to sales.
No, where condition
Okay.
job equal to in double quotes sales. Yeah, next one or operator
Mhm.
and analyst means number right much and department ma'am analyst department
Mhm.
uh, no ma'am that I'm not understand
Yeah. Yeah,
department
friend, you can go on.
where job equal to sales or analyst within double quotes. Semicolon.
We have analyst data in our table. Why I'm not getting that in this table?
We have to mention job equal to
Job
analyst.
equal to analyst.
Yeah.
Again, we have to put that. Okay.
While using and or operator, you should mention for the particular data with the column. Okay, you can't directly write the data. Okay, because here what it will happen, it will take the first data which you mentioned to the column. It won't take the next one.
Okay.
Okay. This is how the or and operator both works in MySQL. Yeah, Sneha Gowder. Next query.
Yes, ma'am. Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are working with a salary greater than 4,000 in department number 10.
Okay. Which
Select
operator
star
we need
from
to
M
use here?
and ma'am,
Okay. Select.
star from employee, enter where a salary is greater than 4,000, greater than symbol, enter and enter department number equal to 10. Semicolon.
Everyone got the same? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's it or any other queries?
One more query, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, tell me.
Write a query to
Anybody?
display
Okay.
all the employee details who are working in departments, sales, developer, or tester.
Okay. Tell me the query.
Select star from employee,
Mhm.
where job is equals to within double quotes sales
Okay.
or
Or
job is equals to developer or job is equals to tester. Semicolon.
understood this logical operator and the relational operator. I hope you guys completed the queries of relational operator also. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yesterday, I think Sneha, right? You asked the like doubt in the workbench.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here, everyone, look here. I have first given. I wanted to use the database. I have created the user. Another user is there. Okay. Now, then I have given all the statements like I want to look into the table And then afterwards, what I have given, I have grant the permission to the new user 2, that is my username of the second account. Here I am granting the permission to the new user 2 on the select statement of the employee table. Okay. Then another permission is I am giving the permission to the new user 2 for inserting the data into the employee table. Okay. Then what I did afterwards, I go to the another user and then I used select star from employee 1. I'm using the select statement, or I'm accessing the select statement as well as the insert statement. Okay, I got the answer. Okay, here look into here. I have inserted the values. I didn't get any errors. After that, what I did, I revoked the statements. I revoke the access which is given to the new user 2 on select statement as well as the insert statement. Okay, here. See here, revoke select on employee 1 from user 2. These two statement I have selected and I have executed them. That got affected, means the rows got affected. Then what I did means, again I selected the revoke statements, both revoke statements, and I'll try to run it. What happens? I'm going to get the error. Why? What is the error? There is no such grant defined for user to the new user 2. Means here I have given the grant statement first for on the select statement to the new user. Then what I did, I revoked it. I already revoked it. Again, if I try to revoke something, I haven't granted anything, right? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I haven't granted anything. I have granted select statement, then I have revoked it back, and again if I execute the revoke statement, it will give the same error that you have not granted anything to anybody. Okay, means if you are using the revoke statement, the precondition is you should grant something once. Once you granted and you revoked, that is done. You can't revoke the statement again and again. If you want to revoke something, you should grant something again. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have the next operator, that is special operators. What are all the operators comes under special operator?
In between.
In between.
In operator,
Is like.
yeah. Between operator is, then the last one is like. These four are the special operators. First one is in operator. In operator, mainly like special operator is used to compare the LHS value with the RHS value. Okay, we are going to consider some value in the LHS and some value in the RHS. In the in operator also, we are going to compare the LHS value with the RHS value. Okay, what is the syntax means? So star or column, condition mention the table. Here also the condition will comes in front of the where class, where LHS in RHS. which is the syntax for using the in operator. Okay. Here, what in the where condition, we are going to compare LHS value with the RHS value. What is the mandatory things while using the in operator means LHS is going to take single value. We can't mention more than one value in the LHS side. Okay, but RHS value we can mention one value and also more than one value, which is nothing but it is acceptable to use the multiple values in the RHS side. Okay. Another one thing is this in operator is somewhat similar to the OR operator. Okay, in OR operator, while using the OR operator, see, for example, this query, there the query was given that you need to display all the employee details, but display only who are all working in sales, like under the Department of Sales, Development, and the testing, right? Here, what you should mention, in front, the condition will be mentioned in front of the where. We are going to give for each and every data, we should mention the column name, right? For every data, like for sales, we should mention that this is taken from job column. And even while representing the development department, on that time also we should take the column name. Even the tester, for each and every data, we need to mention its column in the OR operator while using the OR operator. But by using the in operator, we can overcome that in the LHS. But the thing is, we are going to use the single column here. Okay, if like the same query, I can take the example. Here we have the job has the column, okay, and we have three different datas from that column, right? So we can use this in operator there. But if we have like the people who are display the people who are working in job like testing, and they comes under the department number 20. For those things, we can't use the in operator. We need to use or operator or and operator. If we have just one particular column with the multiple values, then we can use the in operator directly. For example, the same query, I'll write. Select start from employee, then where job in, what are all the RHS values?
Sales analyst.
Yeah. Here, the thing is, while mentioning in here also, if you are mentioning the data, if it is the column which is assigned with the data type varchar, then you should use the double quotes. Okay. Sales and developer and test. Semicolon. Understood? In operator. Got it? How we are going to use the in operator?
In is only for or, and what about and, ma'am?
Not like in is for or.
Okay.
It is just that in operator is somewhat similar to or operator. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Like I said, here we use here they have provided you the query that the people you need to display the people who are working in sales, developer or tester, working as sales developer or tester. So what you are doing in the or operator, you should mention with the column for particular data, and for every data you should mention the column by mentioning the or operator. But here you can directly mention it by using the in operator. You can combine all those data and you can mention it to the one column. And another one thing is, if any one of the data inside this RHS value is wrong, then it will display the values. So it is similar to OR operator, right? In the OR operator also, if anyone here in these three, if I have given instead of tester, I have given manager, what happens? Will it display the output or not?
It will display.
Right? Yeah. The same way the in operator also works. The one difference is in the OR operator, we can use the different columns, but while using the in operator, we can't take different columns. Okay. Understood? Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have the next operator, that is between operator. Between operator, why we are going to use the between operator means, here to select the records, we are going to select the records from the table by using this between operator when there is a like query which is given in the range. If the query is mentioned that you need to display from here to there, I need the values only inside this range. If it is mentioned in that way, then we are going to use the between operator. Yes. And we are going to use this means select star or column name table name, then where between mention the column name which is provided in the query. Then you should apply the between operator, and afterwards you should mention value 1 and operator and value 2. Here, as we ask the question like or operator is for in operator. It is not like for in operator. In operator behaves somewhat like or operator. The same way between operator behaves somewhat similar to the and operator. Okay. Here, how we use the between operator, we are going to select the like whatever the query is asked to display, we are going to mention them in front of the select statement. Then we should mention the table name from which we are going to fetch the data. Afterwards, they have provided you some range of values from here to there, like that values they have provided in the query. From the column name also they have provided, like for example, you need to display the people who are earning the salary from 5,000 to 15,000. Okay, that is the query they provided. Then which column you need to use?
Salary column.
Right? So we are going to mention that column name. Then afterwards, we are going to use the between operator. After that, value 1 and value 2. Value 1 will always be the lower value and the value 2 will be the higher value. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's execute some queries while writing the notes. Take down the notes. Take the heading as special operators. And that first one is in operator. In operator. In operator is used to in operator is used to compare. In operator is used to compare LHS value with RHS value. LHS value with RHS value. Take down the syntax.
After in syntax, after where we should specify the column name.
No, LHS. Yeah, LHS will be the almost column name. Then completed. Okay. Next, take down point wise. First point, in operator will take single value in LHS. In operator will take single value in LHS. In LHS. Full stop. Next point. RHS can take more than one value. RHS can take more than one value. Full stop. Next point. RHS values should be enclosed within the parentheses. RHS values should be enclosed within the parentheses. Full stop. Next point. In operator works similar to OR operator. In operator works similar to OR operator. Full stop. Take down the example queries. First query. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working as tester or developer. Those who are working as tester or developer. What is the query? We need to display the people who are all working as tester and developer. Yeah. So first they asked us to display all the employee details. So star symbol should be displayed. Then from the table name is employee, where job in within the parenthesis tester developer. See, we got the people only who are all working as testers and as well as developers. Take down this query. Okay. Next query. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working in department number 10. Those who are working in department number 10. How can we write a query for this? Pavan? Pavan, are you there? Manikya Gowda.
Yeah, ma'am. Select
Yeah.
start from
Okay.
the reply.
Okay. Let's start from employee.
Where
Where
department is
department?
in 10.
Sorry, come again.
Department
What?
in
Department in
10.
10. Correct.
Those who are working in department 10.
What is the query I have given? Can you read it once again?
Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working in department 10.
Those who are working in department 10.
Oh.
Have I given in that way?
And it, yeah, I got this one. This
Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working in department number 10. That is the query I have given. So you should mention the department number.
yeah,
Okay.
department 10.
Yeah, department number. Then while mentioning the RHS value, you should mention it within
Shall
the
I?
parenthesis.
Yeah.
Okay. And close with semicolon. And we'll get thanks. Understood? If you didn't didn't listen to the query correctly, you won't understand to write it. Okay. So if you not get it, ask me out. I'll tell you once again.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Next query. Write a query to display. write a query to display employee ID. Write a query to display employee ID, comma, employee name, employee name, comma, phone number, comma, phone number, and department number details, and department number details. Those who are working in department number, those who are working in department number 30, 40, and 50. Those who are working in department number 30, 40, and 50. Leave some space for this query. This is the assignment query. Next, take down the heading as between operator.
Please repeat the query also.
Okay, yeah, sure. Write a query to display employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, phone number, and department number details, and department number details. Those who are working in department number, those who are working in department number 30, 40, and 50.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Next, take down the heading as between operator. In that, between operator is used to select, between operator is used to select the records from the table. Between operator is used to select the records from the table which is present within a given range of values. It is between operator is used to select the records from the table which is present within a given range of values, which is present within a given range of values. Full stop. In the next line, between operator works similar to AND operator. Between operator works similar to AND operator. Then take down the syntax for between operator.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Value 1, value 2, value should be within that column, or we can take extra. For example, department number. We take 10 to 20 to 100, or we have to take what it is in the columns
What it is provided in the query depends on the query.
in the column.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. It's not mandatory that it should be in a column.
It is mandatory. Like they will provide a column, particular column, and they will provide the range.
Okay.
Okay. It's done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Here we are not using parenthesis, ma'am, to put the
No, no
values.
parentheses. No, we are not using parentheses here. Okay. Take down the queries. First query. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are earning salary. Those who are earning salary between 5,000 to 7,000. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are earning salary between 5,000 to 7,000. What the query says means they are asking us to display all the employee details, and they have provided the condition that only display those people who are getting the salary between 5,000 to 7,000. So all the employee details. So I'm mentioning start from employee, then where, which column we should take?
Salary.
Yeah. Salary between 5,000 and 7,000. See, we have only two data on that basis, based on that query, 5,000 and 6,000. Got it? How to write the between operator? How to write a query by using the between operator? Okay, look down this one.
When we say 7,000, even the 7,000 will also be included, right? Sometimes if we say like between 5,000 to 7,000.
Yeah. So 5,000 and even the 7,000 both are included. Since here we don't have the 7,000 in our table, it is not displaying. Check one. Yeah, both the values are included. Not any, both value 1 as well as value 2, both are included. Done? Okay, take down the next query. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are earning salary, between 2000 to 5000. Between 2000 to 5000. Here nothing is going to change, just you need to change the values. In the place of 5000, you should mention 2000, and in the place of 7000, you should mention 5000. Shall I continue the next query?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, email, and department number, for all the employees, those who are working, in department number, between 20 to 40. Between 20 to 40. Some space. Take down the explorer. Write a query to display. All the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are hired between, those who are hired, between 1997,
I'm not audible.
not audible.
Not clearly audible.
Okay. Write a query to display. Now,
Yeah.
write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are hired between, hired, hired between 1997, 11/10, 1997, 11/10 to 2019, 8/5, 2019, 8/5. Leave some space. Take down the next query. Write a query to display. Employee name. Write a query to display employee name, comma, job, comma salary, comma salary, and department number, and department number for all the employees. Write a query to display employee name, job, salary, and department number for all the employees. For all the employees. Those who are working has, those who are, those who are working has, working has tested or sales, tested or sales, tested or sales in department number, in department number 20, 30 and 40. In department number 20, 30 and 40. Write a query to display employee name, job, salary, and department number for all the employees. Those who are working as tester or sales in department number 20, 30, and 40. Leave some space. Next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are earning salary, those who are earning salary greater than 6,000, those who are earning salary greater than 6,000, greater than 6,000 in department number, in department number 10, 20 and 30. 10, 20 and 30. Take some space. Take down the next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details and annual salary and annual salary only if annual salary is greater than 15,000. Only if annual salary is greater than 15,000. 15,000 and those who are working as developer and analyst, and those who are working as developer and analyst. Write a query to display all the employee details and annual salary only if annual salary is greater than 15,000 and those who are working as developer and analyst. Leave some space for this also. Take down the next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details Those who are joined, those who are those who are joined after 2017, those who are joined after 2017, after 2017, and earning salary greater than 5,000 and earning salary greater than 5,000 in department number in department number 20 and 30. Department number 20 and 30. Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are joined after 2017 and earning salary greater than 5,000 in department number 20 and 30. What symbol you should use like to write the query, to write this query? Like they have provided who are joined after 2017, right? Which symbol you can use to mention that condition? Guys, I am asking you.
I'm using relational operator.
I'm asking you the question and you are asking me again. Which operator you need to use, or which symbol, which mathematical symbol you
Greater
need to
than
use?
symbol.
Okay. Anybody else have the answer?
Greater
Yeah,
than
it's
equal
correct.
to.
Yeah, no greater than equal to. It's just they asked joined after 2017 means after 2017 who are all people joined to the company means we need to use the greater than sign. It's correct. Okay. Okay.
For
Take
higher
down the
date, no,
next.
ma'am.
Yeah. For higher date. Okay. Next query. Write
But
a query to
for higher the date we have to write full format, no, year, month,
yeah.
and date. Date.
Yeah. Since
So we
here
can
they have
mention
asked mentioned the year, so you can take like from
one,
first
one,
of
one.
month. Yeah. Okay. Next query. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details whose salary between 5,000 to 9,000, whose salary between 5,000 to 9,000 in department number 10, 20, and 30. In department number 10, 20, and 30.
Ma'am, once again, please.
Okay. Write a query to display all the employee details whose salary between 5,000 to 9,000 in department number 10, 20, and 30.
Ma'am, here we have two conditions, right?
Yeah,
So can we use in between logical operator?
of course you should use, no? If we have a two conditions, you must use the logical operator. Like
Okay.
we don't have other option of using something else, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Mm. Next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. All the employee details. Those who are working in department number. Those who are working in department number 20, 30, and 40. 20, 30, and 40. And joined to the company. And joined to the company between 1997 to 2019. And joined to the company between 1997 to 2019. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working in department number 20, 30, and 40 and joined to the company and joined it to the company between 1997 to 2019. Between 1997 to 2019. These are all the assignment queries. Okay, work on them. Then we have the next operator, the third operator in the special operators. It is operator. It's a simple operator. Why we use this is operator means to check that the value which is given in the LHS is null or not. Means where LHS is operator, then null. Okay. Here we use this is operator to check that the particular LHS value, what we are going to mention, it contains null value or not. LHS, in the LHS, we almost mentioned the column, means we are going to check the particular column contains the null value or not by using this is operator. Understood? Why we use the is operator? Guys, I am asking you. I hope I am audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you. Yes, ma'am.
Take down the notes of this. Take down the heading as is operator. In that, it is used to compare. It is used to compare. It is used to compare with null values. It is used to compare with null values. Take down the syntax.
Ma'am, we can also use not null, right?
Sorry.
We can also use not null. Let's
Why
say
you will use the not null? Like,
like it is
what is the definition I have given for is operator?
used to compare the null values. Like,
Yeah, it is used to compare the null values, means it is like we are asking the query to the system by using the query that this particular column contains the null value or not, by using the is value, is operator. Then another that comes in the not operator, if we want to check that the null value is not present in the column, then we are going to use the is not operator. Okay, we are not going to give the not null thing here. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, take down the example query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the employee details. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are does not have the manager name. Those who are does not have the manager name. See here, we have the manager name as Harish. First, when I inserted this column, how can we insert the column into the table? What statement we are going to use?
Insert into column name values, value 1, value 2, semicolon.
Are you sure?
Insert into table name.
I'm not asking to insert the values. I'm asking to insert a column to the table. How can we insert a column to the table? Means I need another column in my table. How can I do that? By using which statement I can do that activity?
Create
Alter table name, add column name.
Yeah, by using the alter statement. By using the alter statement, we can add the column to a table, right?
In our database manager name and ID.
Sorry,
That I told to not add these two columns while we creating table.
while creating the yeah, okay, I know that.
Yeah.
How can we add the columns?
Yeah, alter table
Al-
table name, and after that add column name. Okay, we're going
Alter
to add
alter
table
table. Then we should mention the table name, that
table
is
name
employee.
and
And we are going to add the column. Add.
in
We need to mention the column name. For example, I am taking like name
yeah.
one, since I have already have the manager name.
Yeah, we will add
So then I need to mention the data type.
Data type and constraint.
Give the size of the data type. Then we can give the constraint or not. It's not a mandatory thing. Okay. See, it's added. Let me see. Select start from me. Here I have the manager name underscore 1. Okay. Now I will use the is operator here. Select start from employee where in charge name underscore 1 is null or null. See, we have the null values, so it is displaying the table. If we doesn't have the null value, it won't display the table. Okay, since you guys didn't add the manager ID and manager name, you can add it. Okay, just take. You have the screenshot already, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Add both the columns. Don't add the manager name underscore 1. Just add these two columns by using the alter statement. Okay.
Ma'am.
Take down this answer. Here, you guys mention manager name only. Don't mention underscore 1. Okay, now you guys are going to create manager ID and manager name column in this table. How will you insert the values to both the columns? How can you do that?
Insert into manager name values, value 1, value 2.
By using the insert statement, can you perform that action? Are you sure?
After creating the column, we can insert, right?
After creating the table, you are going to insert the values. But insert, have you tried ever like while inserting the data or while inserting the values, if you miss out any of the columns of the table, will it take? Okay, let me try.
Update or something.
Yeah, correct. You should use the update. Okay, you can't use the insert statement here. You need to use the update statement. Okay, understood?
So insert is used only when creating table.
You created the table and you are going to insert the value, then you should mention each and every column in the insert statement. It's not like after creating the table, you should use the insert statement. Not in that way. The insert statement is builded in that way, like if you are inserting some values, if you are using the insert statement, you should mention the you should mention the values for the table of each and every column. You can't miss out any of the column. If you miss out any of the column, you are going to get an error. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope all of you understood today's topic. Special operators. We are left out with one operator in that. I will continue it in the next class.